Welcome everyone! Today I'd like to show you how to handle favorites in Archicad. If you don't use a shortcut or have the favorite symbol in your palettes already, you can activate the favorites at Window, Palettes, Favorites. But what are favorites? Basically everything can be a favorite. It doesn't matter if we're talking about 2D or 3D elements. Let's click our way through the default examples. So the favorites are categorized into different sections by default and they contain several favorites already. Let's go to detailing. By the way, you can always change the view using one of the three symbols here. It's useful if things become kinda confusing. Here you see that this folder contains different 2D elements like splines, lines, circles and fills, and what makes a favorite unique is the setting of these symbols. If you save a line with a specific pen and line type as favorite, this pen and the line type will be on your favorite element, even if you change some of their already drawn elements later. Let's go into another folder. Here at Masking you can see that 3D elements like morphs, terrains and rooms can also be saved as favorites. And in the opening folder are also doors, windows and curtain walls. When you click on the gear symbol in the top right corner, you can select if you want to see the 3D elements in 3D or 2D. You can also filter for elements or import-export favorites from other Archicad projects. I personally do not use any of these default favorites, so I like to delete them. All of them. You can delete single elements by selecting them and clicking the red X at the bottom. You can also press the delete button on your keyboard. Hold down Shift or Ctrl to select more than one element. In this case I simply select all folders and delete them all. If you like to create your own folder structure, you can do that by clicking on the folder and plus symbol on the bottom. How can I save favorites? Yeah, that's simple. I'll give you an example. I take this window here from Qreative and set it up the way I want to. If I'm ready, I just open the window settings by pressing Ctrl and T. Here you see the star symbol at the top left corner. Click on it. At the bottom you see that you can create a new folder or create a new favorite. If you click on the star, you save this window as favorite, and that's it. You find the star symbol at almost every elements menu. Favorites are very useful if you have projects where you use the same elements over and over again. Or if you like to draw your floor plans with black outlines and gray fills, for example, you just save the wall settings once and you can use them in every following project too. I hope this video was useful. Get prepared for deconstructing the toolbox next time. Until then, have a great day and stay creative.